So I've spent the past few years testing all the most popular course selling platforms, and in this video I'm going to show you the best options depending on your budget and what you actually need. Whether you want the most powerful all-in-one system, a more affordable option, or even a completely free platform, I'll show you exactly which one is right for your specific situation. I've created complete step-by-step tutorials for every platform in this video. So once you know which one is right for you, you can use those to build your course from start to finish. And I've also secured some exclusive extended free trials. You'll find all the tutorials, links and deals down below in the video description. Section 1, Kajabi. This is my #1 pick. With its comprehensive all-in-one approach, Kajabi is one of the most popular platforms for course creators who want to not just host their courses, but also market and sell them. To create your course using Kajabi, you can either use their AI assistant to generate a complete course outline for you, or you can build from scratch. The platform includes everything you need: a full website builder, email marketing automation, sales funnel builder, payment processing powered by Stripe, and an analytics dashboard, all integrated together. What truly sets Kajabi apart is the marketing automation. Kajabi has what they call pre-built funnel templates, which automatically create your opt-in page, thank you page, and the entire email sequence, all pre-connected and ready to go. You can literally have a lead generation system running in 30 minutes. Their email sequences are powerful. You can set up automated welcome emails, value building content, and promotional emails that pitch your paid course, all running on autopilot. And if you want to run an affiliate program where other people sell your course for you, Kajabi has one of the best systems for that built right in. For your actual course content, Kajabi lets you create modules and lessons, upload videos, add quizzes and assignments, and you can set up drip scheduling to release content over time. You can also make individual lessons free preview lessons so potential students can see your teaching style before buying. The look of your course environment is fully customizable. You can pick your own template and customize any text, color, or section you want. What makes Kajabi easier to use compared to other all-in-one platforms is that it's focused. Everything is designed specifically for course creators and coaches, so the interface makes sense and you're not overwhelmed with features you'll never use. Kajabi also has this feature called Creator Studio, which is an AI-powered tool that helps you repurpose content. You can upload videos and it can generate short clips for social media, create transcripts for blog posts, and suggest content ideas. Besides that, you can sell coaching, create a community, host your podcast, create a branded mobile app, launch a blog, and more. Now let's look at pricing. Kajabi doesn't offer a free plan, but they typically have a 14-day free trial. Their basic plan starts at $179 per month, which includes 5 products, unlimited funnels, and up to 2,500 contacts. The growth plan at $249 per month gives you 50 products and 25,000 contacts, and the Pro plan at $499 per month removes most limits and adds advanced features. You can get an extended 30-day free trial through my link in the description, giving you twice as long to fully test out all the features before committing. Now yes, Kajabi is expensive, it's the most expensive option on this list. But here's the thing, you're replacing your website builder, your email marketing tool, your sales funnel software, your course hosting, your payment processor, all of it. If you're serious about building a real course business, Kajabi is the best overall platform. The interface is clean, it's reliable, and it just works. Section 2, GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is the second platform that's genuinely worth the investment, but it's a different beast entirely. If you're running a coaching business or agency and you need more than just courses, this might actually be the better choice for you. GoHighLevel is quite different from the other options in this video because it's actually designed as an all-in-one CRM and marketing platform for agencies and coaches, but it includes a powerful membership and courses feature. The way GoHighLevel organizes courses is through what they call products. Inside each product you build out your modules, submodules, and lessons. You can upload videos, add quizzes, create assignments, and even issue credentials when students complete your course. Now the course environment itself isn't as customizable as Kajabi. You have fewer options for styling and layout. But where GoHighLevel absolutely dominates is everything else you get in the same platform. You get a full CRM system, email and SMS marketing automation, appointment scheduling, sales funnel builder, website builder, and even reputation management tools. So if you're a coach or a consultant who needs to manage leads, book calls, nurture prospects through email and SMS, deliver courses, and manage clients all in one place, GoHighLevel can handle all of that. GoHighLevel also lets you create communities, which is basically a space where your students can connect, ask questions, and engage with each other. You can add your courses directly into the community, run live calls with automatic recording, and build a full membership experience. Now here's the trade-off. GoHighLevel has a steeper learning curve than Kajabi because it does so much more. Kajabi is focused and streamlined for course creators. GoHighLevel is a complete business platform, so you're going to spend more time learning the system, but you're also replacing like 10 different tools instead of 5. GoHighLevel currently offers a 14-day free trial, but you can get an extended 30-day free trial through my link in the description. The starter plan is $97 per month, which includes everything you'll need for selling courses. So to recap on GoHighLevel, if you're just selling courses, Kajabi is the better choice. But if you're running a coaching business or agency and you need CRM, SMS marketing, appointment booking, client management, all that stuff, GoHighLevel is absolutely worth the learning curve. And at $97 per month, it's actually cheaper than Kajabi. Section 3, Teachable. Alright, so those are the two premium platforms that are worth the investment. But what if you can't afford $179 per month for Kajabi? This is where Teachable comes in. Teachable has been around since 2014 and is one of the most beginner-friendly platforms. It's specifically designed for course creators who want a straightforward, no-fuss way to upload and sell their content. The Teachable Course Builder is very simple. You create your curriculum, upload your videos, add text and files, and organize everything into sections and lessons. There's no complicated setup, and the student experience is clean and professional looking. Teachable provides basic website customization so you can create a simple homepage and sales page for your course. It's not as flexible as Kajabi, but it gets the job done and looks good. Now here's what you need to know about pricing. Their starter plan at $39 per month includes a 7.5% transaction fee on all sales. So if you sell $1,000 worth of courses, Teachable takes $75 on top of the monthly subscription fee. This transaction fee is removed on the builder plan at $89 per month. So if you're making consistent sales, you'll want to upgrade to the builder plan, but even at $89 per month, that's still cheaper than Kajabi. You just won't get all the marketing automation and advanced features. Teachable has added an AI course outline generator that helps you structure your content, and they've improved their coaching features, allowing you to add one-on-one coaching sessions and group coaching to your course offerings. If you want a platform that looks professional, is easy to use, and is more affordable than Kajabi, Teachable is your best option. Just factor in those transaction fees when you're calculating your actual monthly cost. Section 4, Thinkific. Now I need to lead with the main limitation here because it's something you need to know upfront. With Thinkific's landing page builder, you can't customize pages separately for mobile devices. So if you're getting a lot of traffic from mobile, this could be a deal breaker. But if you're okay with pages that aren't mobile optimized, Thinkific is still a solid option. Thinkific is one of the most established course platforms with a strong balance between features and affordability. You'll use their course builder to create chapters and lessons, upload videos in bulk which saves time, and add downloadable content like PDFs or worksheets. You can make individual lessons, free preview lessons, enable discussions, and set up drip scheduling to release content over time. When it comes to pricing, Thinkific has a 30-day free trial. The basic plan starts at $49 per month with no added transaction fees. The Start plan at $99 per month adds advanced features like assignments, certificates, and multiple admin users. And the Grow plan is $199 per month. Thinkific is a good platform with solid features at an affordable price, but I would only use it if a majority of your audience will visit your sales page on desktop. Section 5, Systeme.io. Now what if you have literally zero budget? This is where Systeme.io comes in, and honestly, for a free platform, it's surprisingly good. Systeme.io actually has a completely free plan that allows you to create one course, build 3 sales funnels, and send email campaigns to up to 2,000 contacts. And you can even connect your own custom domain, which most free plans don't allow. It's one of the most generous free plans in the industry. Their paid plans start at just $17 per month and unlock more funnels and more automation features. Now here's the trade-off. The interface is straightforward and gets the job done, but it's not as polished as Kajabi or Teachable. Your course environment won't look quite as professional, but if you're just starting out and you have no budget, Systeme.io gives you a genuine way to launch and sell your course without spending a dime. Once you start making sales, you can always upgrade to one of the paid plans or move to a more premium platform. But for getting started with zero investment, Systeme.io is the way to go. Section 6, Honorable Mentions. Let me quickly cover 2 more platforms that are worth mentioning for specific use cases. First, Circle. This one is built around community first with courses as an added feature. If you've ever been in a Facebook group and thought it would be great to add structured course content, that's exactly what Circle does. You get discussion spaces, member profiles, direct messaging, and then you can add courses as part of the experience. Circle starts at $89 per month, but if you want to remove Circle branding or send emails, you will need to pay more. If community is your main focus and courses are secondary, Circle is worth checking out. And second, LearnWorlds. This one is geared toward professional training and certification programs. It starts at $29 per month and offers interactive video features like pop-up quizzes and note-taking built into the video player. If you're creating corporate training or formal certification programs, LearnWorlds has the features to support that. Section 7, Final Recommendations. Alright, let me break this down simply. If you're serious about building a real course business and you can afford the investment, Kajabi is the best overall platform. It's $179 per month. Yes, that's expensive, but you're getting a complete system that replaces multiple tools. It's focused, it's reliable, and the course environment looks professional. And remember, you can get that extended 30-day free trial using my link in the description. If you're running a coaching business or agency and you need more than just courses, if you need CRM, SMS marketing, appointment booking, client management, GoHighLevel is worth the steeper learning curve. At $97 per month, it's actually cheaper than Kajabi while offering way more business tools. The course environment isn't as customizable, but everything else you get makes up for it. You can also get an extended 30-day trial with my link. If you want a less expensive option that still looks good and professional, Teachable is your best bet at $39 to $89 per month, depending on whether you want to avoid transaction fees. If you're just starting out and you have zero budget, Systeme.io offers a completely free plan that actually works. It's not as polished, but it gets you up and running without spending anything. And if you want to test Thinkific, it has solid features at $49 per month. Just be aware of that mobile customization limitation. You'll find complete step-by-step tutorials, as well as exclusive deals and extended 30-day free trials for the tools mentioned down below in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.